When library materials are returned, they are checked in through the automated book return. Whether it's the indoor or the outdoor book return, each item gets inspected individually. Staff will go through the pages of the returned items and check the condition. We look for any minor or major damage that the item may have. We even pull out lost or forgotten bookmarks that may have been left behind. We also go through the DVD discs and look for any scratches that they may have. After each item is inspected, it is placed into the book sanitizer. With this book sanitizer, the library is able to sanitize 20 books at a time in just 5 minutes. Items are placed into the book sanitizer onto individual racks. Once the machine is full with 20 items, we can then shut the door and press start. It's that simple to use. Here you can see the ultraviolet light disinfecting the materials. Reducing the risk of exposure to COVID-19 by cleaning and disinfecting is an important part of public spaces. It is important that during this pandemic, we all take an active role in making sure items are disinfected. It is also important to remember that we have all been called upon to slow the spread of the virus. Once the 5-minute cycle has been completed, the ultraviolet light and high-pressure air circulation shut off. We are then able to open the door and pull each item and place it on the cart to be shelved.